How do you make a 1950s trailer worth nearly $100,000? Easy. You rebuild it so well, even a Beverly Hills housewife would ask for the tour. Ladies and gentlemen, I once had a neighbor named Stan. Stan thought he was fancy because he bought a goldfish and named it Caviar. But let me tell you, this trailer makes Stan look like he's camping in a cardboard box behind a Walmart. Meet the 1956 Spartan Royal Manor, a 32-foot, 9.75 meters rolling monument to taste, luxury, and possibly the only trailer I'd wear pants to tour. Now let's talk trailer. The Spartan Royal Manor is like if a Jetliner had a baby with a 5-star hotel. And this one, restored by Wheelhouse Mobile out of Lockhart, Texas, has been fully modernized while keeping just enough original charm to make trailer purists nod in approval. And by just enough, I mean the bathroom vanity mirror. That's it. The rest? Gone. Replaced. Upgraded like it's 2099. On the outside, it's still wrapped in glorious polished aluminum, the kind of shine that makes passing birds check their feathers. Underneath, the chassis has been weatherproofed so thoroughly, I think it could outlive your retirement savings. Inside, my jaw drops so fast I think it sprained something. The kitchen? Custom Texas pecan wood countertops. A Krause stainless steel sink so fancy, I was afraid to put my elbows near it. A 2-burner propane stove and a minty retro fridge that made me want to grow a mustache and start a jazz band. The bathroom is basically a spa squeezed into a trailer. Composting toilet, which means it's eco-conscious and nose-friendly. Stainless steel everything. Dual 12-volt exhaust fans, and a pocket door that slides smoother than my best pickup line on date night. The electrical system is ready for both 110 volts and 220 volts shore power, with solar-ready wiring if you want to go green and off-grid. And the light switches? Push-pull, baby, with mother-of-pearl inlays. Water? You can hook up to city water with a garden hose or use the 60-gallon, 227-liter onboard tank with a pump that sounds like it belongs in a submarine. Sleeping arrangements? Queen bed in the back. Dinette converts to a bed up front. Room for 4 if you're cozy, 2 if you value your personal space and sanity. The bed even lifts on a hydraulic system to reveal 3 storage compartments. Perfect for hiding snacks, tools, or your friend Mike, who still thinks roughing it means no Wi-Fi. And the price? Well, bidding was at $99,000 USD, 91,000 euros last I checked, and the reserve hadn't even been met. But let's be honest, this is not a trailer, it's a rolling art installation with plumbing.